Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just want to talk to you real quick about something as you start your day. And for some on the East Coast, they already, you're on your grind, you're getting into it. Remember this. Sometimes in life, you got to have tunnel vision, meaning you can't worry about what's going on around you because if you do, it can cause you to drown. You know, there's a story that talks about Peter. Peter jumped out on the water and he was walking towards Christ. And once he looked around and noticed the wind and the water and the waves, he started to doubt himself. And once he started to doubt himself, that's when he started to sink. So what I want to say to you this morning, we can't allow our surroundings. We know we got bills. We know we got problems. We know we got things we got to take care of. We know the kids need this. We know we got to have food. All of these things we know we got to do. So let's not focus on them. Let's focus on where we're going. Because we got to get to a level where we're not worrying about these things. And in order to do that, we got to have tunnel